Welcome to another episode of Travel Guru TV, TGTV, and today we are reporting from the Hampton Inn, Fort Lauderdale North Cruise Port. I hope I didn't butcher the name of the hotel, but we are basically in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, at the Hampton Inn, and this is apparently the closest Hampton Inn to the cruise port and accommodates cruise passengers and cruise guests frequently. So we're in room number 511, and just arrived here. The customer service experience, like the check-in experience, was very positive, very professional gentleman who checked us in. I gotta take a look. Yeah. So far so good. Decent, like nice atmosphere when you walk in. They have complimentary coffee all like 24/7. There's a little bit of rust there, eh? But yeah, so far so good. Okay, let me show you guys the room. So here, the usual. So we got 2 queen beds in 511. And we are on the 5th floor, which is the highest floor. This is actually a decent sized TV for a hotel room. So yeah, it's a typical Hampton Inn. It's pretty clean. Not much of a view, but you definitely feel like you're in Florida, which is awesome. Yeah, typical Hampton Inn. I like the floors actually here. This is like really nice vinyl flooring. But yeah, it's good. It's kind of like what you see is what you get. There's no big surprises. It's very consistent usually. You know what? Let's see if they have a fridge here. Here's your microwave. There's a little mini fridge. All right. Okay, guys. I think you've seen enough. Oh, what happened here? Looks like the thermostat was removed. Interesting. Anyway, I think you guys have seen enough to get a decent, like a good idea of what you're dealing with here. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comment section if you have stayed here before, if you're going to be staying here anytime soon. The cruise industry is back. Cruises are going again. People are going back on cruises, so I'm sure there will be a lot of demand for this hotel in the near future. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel-related videos from all over the world. Peace.